Karbi Students Association holds meeting with 21 villages over border issue in Amri. KAL leaders remain invisible. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Live English Primetime News. The Karbi Students Association held an awareness meeting with headmen and people of 21 villages in Amri in West Karbi Anglong district over the border issue following Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma's alleged give and take policy to resolve border issues with neighboring states including Meghalaya, which has been involved in unabated encroachment activities in guise of development projects in West Karbi Anglong district. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council's silence and the absence of any elected representative in West Karbi Anglong have been attracting the anger of the people across the hill district of Karbi Anglong. Here is a report. The meeting was organized by the KSA after news report emerged that Seim of Rai Nongtang, Mivel Shadab, claiming 21 villages under Block 2 as part of Meghalaya and would exchange it Khanapara if those villages are transferred to Meghalaya. The Karbi students' body reasserted their stand opposing any attempt to surrender 21 villages under the Chinthong block to Meghalaya. The meeting was attended by a huge number of people of several villages and affirmed that they would not allow an inch of land to be taken away or sold out to anyone. Ulukunchi police personnel were also present around the meeting premise to prevent disturbance to peace and security in the area. And this is what social worker of Chinthong area Long Singbe said before the local media. It may be mentioned that suspicion and apprehension are running high among people of the hill districts of Karbi Anglong after alleged give and take policy to be adopted by Assam in dealing with border dispute with neighboring states, sparking anxiety that 21 villages border areas could be surrendered to Meghalaya. Meanwhile, Assam and Nagaland government has arrived an understanding and agreed to withdraw police forces in disputed areas from both sides. The understanding for de-escalation has reached out by chief secretaries of both states. While the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has announced to move to Supreme Court to resolve border dispute with Mizoram. Hemari Rongpar from Chinthong for Karbi Anglong Live. Husband of an ailing wife from Igalia constituency had sought financial help for availing medical treatment. Due to his wife's sickness, Deben Teron had exhausted all his money and is now left with nothing. 41-year-old Pudumi Keapi, wife of Deben Teron of Sarik Timung village, had been ill for more than a year. She was diagnosed with high blood pressure, but later several portions of her body became paralyzed. She has been bedridden for a long time now. Her family members had exhausted all money and property in treatment. Now they are left with nothing and are looking for helping hands from the local MEC Lunsing Teron and KAEC CEM Tuliram Ronghang.
Hang alang litu makithe kiding masi nilitu makiso Dr. Long sitame chepon lo chelang ji an chelang lo khidat sitame nilitum penang andam lo chai nong sita dam jui lo pen pene chongdut pen sitame chelang olo sitame unedar lo chelang litu maphan akarap nang piji mene posi nong choning re lo ing apen Tuliram Ronghang alang litu maphan sitame choning re lo.
Samsing Ingti from Dongmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest incident which had come in from West Karbi Anglong, a total of 50 families alleged that they were denied free rice due to their party affiliation in Rongchek under the Socheng MSC constituency. The allegation has come as a huge shock and is appalling at a time when people of the entire country are reeling under massive food and economic crisis due to the lockdown imposed by the state government. The serious charges were made against the Bharatiya Janata Party, who allegedly distributed free rice to all villages under the Socheng MSC constituency except Rongchek. The villagers alleged the discrimination made against them was in complete contrast to the tall claims and statement of the Karbi Autonomous Council leaders in all meetings, stating that BJP does not discriminate nor denies or deprive anyone of developmental schemes or project on party basis.
Gelong tum madela ke flag bangalang tumane alam the bangalang tumge laso sang ni li pipe det tumate ni tumalong party nang yonon pupuselang tumaning chema tharong lo sita la ke alang tum party mata abu ra chupe kom haselang tum klempon rong lo
benang tumbang than lo bang aju sigiron aju bang then de lo da bang kiron bang phong dun lo asang long undi
hoi tu ni tu bere resort card do hai sitame ni tum ration card do pu boy phis sitame ala ration card do tum ta 50% bang do kong lo mati an pala tum phan ration card ave tum phan yong si keroni pu ta tum phan pachitang nai po ya ni pu ang hala tum pachitang petlu tan abado pu tanang peeling stan ni pe
ke bang chokti ta sang long de ni tum ta gane long de lo bang ke than no kar tum hane pipe party program le pa mase hemang ke than dunang ni chipathe rana ni ma ni lem pa ne to inde dilara hen benta pine la from samini ho ya to pu da ke long de jo ni ma pu da sang da long de pu ke ta long de pu ta long de la tum ma ke chlong si non lo mo ke se du bom
Danieling his report from Hamren for Karbi Live. And that is all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Live. Have a good day.